Want to break into the construction industry with less than $1,000 and AI on your side? Here are 10 AI-powered business ideas in construction you can launch today. No heavy equipment required. Number 1. AI-based estimation service. Use AI to create fast, accurate cost estimates based on materials, labor, and timelines. It's a game changer for small contractors and renovators. Number 2. Smart construction proposal writer. Use ChatGPT to generate clean, professional bid proposals in minutes. Charge per document and save builders hours of admin time. Number 3. Drone survey analysis with AI. Grab a budget drone and pair it with mapping tools to offer aerial site surveys. Perfect for roofing, terrain reports, or inspection services. Number 4. AI-powered scheduling assistant. Automate job site schedules, material orders, and crew coordination with tools like Notion AI and Zapier. You can even white label this for contractors. If you're starting a construction side hustle, you'll need a pro-level website, business email, and a brand that looks legit from day one. That's where EngineShark.com comes in. They handle your website, logo, automations, and even business setup, all in one affordable package. Whether you're offering drone inspections or AI estimates, EngineShark builds your launchpad. Click the link in the description and start your business the smart way. Number 5. Permit and compliance chatbot. Build a chatbot trained on local building codes and permit rules. Sell access to contractors who need fast answers without the red tape. Number 6. Virtual safety training modules. Use AI to generate engaging safety videos and quizzes. Sell to small firms or bundle into a monthly subscription. Number 7. AI construction lead generation. Scrape job boards, permit filings, or real estate listings to collect warm leads. Package and sell them to local contractors or realtors. Number 8. AI design mockups for renovations. Use image generation tools to create quick previews for remodels, kitchens, exteriors, offices, and charge per concept. Number 9. Equipment Tracker Assistant. Build a Google Sheets tool with AI automation to log and manage tools across multiple job sites. Simple to make and high value to offer. Number 10. Bidding and RFQ optimization tool. Help small firms write better bids with AI-generated templates, keyword suggestions, and performance tracking. You don't need to pour concrete to build a construction business. Just pour in some creativity and AI. Hit like, share, and subscribe. And head to EngineShark.com to bring your construction brand to life.